Number 5. Canon Vixia HFR72. 57x32.5 to 1853 mm advanced zoom and super range optical image stabilizer. 3.28 megapixel Full HD CMOS image sensor. Digic DV4 image processor captures video at 1920 by 1080 resolution. Record up to 12 hours of video to a 32 GB internal flash drive. 3.0-inch capacitive touch panel LCD with increased brightness. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Sony Drax 33 Handycam. Capture 4K/24p/30p video that far exceeds HD resolution. Zeiss Lens W/balanced optical steady shot image stabilization. Direct pixel readout for smooth edges and color gradation. Manual control ring, iris/shutter/exposure/white balance. 0.27-inch EVF201K and touchscreen 3 inches extra fine LCD. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Panasonic HCV770. Long 20x zoom draws in the scene from far away. Compatible with remote pan tilt cradle. The focal length is 4.08 to 81.6 mm. Exclusive high dynamic range. The backside illumination sensor. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Canon Vixia HFR800. 57x32.5 to 1853 mm advanced zoom/32x optical/1140x digital and super range OIS. Canon 3.28 megapixel Full HD CMOS image sensor. Digic DV4 image processor. 10 mm wide and 1 m across entire zooming range. Approximate 50 cm at tele macro setting established at this time. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Samsung 301S Plus. 24 resolution ratio of image and 1080p resolution ratio of video 15 fps. 270-degree rotation TFT LCD screen. 16x digital zoom, dual LED white lights. SD memory card and MMC card, 4 GB up to 32 GB. Rechargeable 3.7V 1250 mAh Li-ion battery. Please check the description for details and best price.